Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA, and at the time of this recording Hbar is showing a lot of strength to continue pushing even higher, where you can see that here on TradingView the market is up by 10.38%, which is a massive bounce to the upside. And before I give you my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart I have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is what I'm expecting Hbar to do on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and also my next price targets here on the Hbar chart. Here on the 4-hour chart you can see that down here this is where we made our low at around the $0.0356 mark before we started a massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I'm terming that as the first wave to the upside. Then we have seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2 before we started a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.0808 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, which has fully maximized our red target areas down here in the formation of that wave 4. And I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And before I give you my next price targets over here in the formation of this wave 5, there are key moves that I predicted in my previous video, where I said that we needed a break above the 20-day MA and also a break above the key high at around the $0.0808 mark. And the moment we see those two moves here on the Hbar chart, that could trigger an even more explosive move to the upside to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. And at the time of this recording you can see we have managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also managed to break above the key high at around the $0.08 mark, and we are just about to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you my minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gave me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0872 mark. That is the minimum that I was expecting this wave 5 to the upside to do. And you can see here on the charts, this is a target area that we have now fully maximized, and because this is just a minimum target areas, there are chances that we might continue pushing even higher, continue breaking through these other key areas on the Fibonacci's, and maybe get back to around the $0.0986 mark, or maybe get back above the $0.1 mark. That is a possibility here on the Hbar chart. And once you see the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5 come to a complete, then we can name these 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. But here on the 4-hour chart at the time of this recording, you can see that we have seen the formation of this long wick to the upper side, and this is not a good indication here on the charts, because this is a sign that the sellers are trying to take over the market. That's the reason as to why you can see that we have a long wick to the upper side, because the sellers are trying to push the market lower, meaning that there are chances that we might have peaked in the formation of that wave 5 at around the $0.0892 mark, and there are chances that we have now completed the formation of this wave 5 and also the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. That is a move that we need to be prepared for here on the Hbar chart. But that doesn't mean that the buyers can't take over the market once more. There's still that chance that the buyers might take over the market once more, and from these low prices that we are trading within, that is within this long wick that we have over here, maybe once the next 4-hour candlestick starts, we might see another impulsive move to the upside, manage to break above this high, continue pushing even higher, break through other key areas of other key areas on the Fibonacci's, and give us a high at around the 0.09 or maybe the $0.1 mark to fully maximize the formation of that wave 5. But for now, we need to be aware that there is that risk of having completed the formation of that wave 5 and also completed the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1, I'll be expecting a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And once the low for this second wave is in, then we can expect another explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. We are trading at around the 70 mark, meaning we are just about to get into the overbought region, meaning soon we might not be able to support higher prices here on the RSI after getting into the overbought region. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross fully supporting higher prices here on the Hbar chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.